In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Netlify. We're not installing traditional software, we're using your browser's install page as app feature to give Netlify its own window and shortcut, so it behaves like a desktop app while still being the website. This approach keeps your workflow tidy and is great if you use Netlify often. Start by opening your preferred modern browser and heading to netlify.com. A stable internet connection helps the install option appear quickly. If you already have the site open in a tab, make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on. Now look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots, the main menu icon. Depending on your browser, this menu might be labeled something like Settings and More, but the icon is the same three dots. If you don't see it, maximize the window or exit full screen mode so the toolbar is visible. From that menu, choose Cast, Save, and Share. This is the area where browsers group tools for saving, sharing, and installing sites. If your menu looks a little different, look for a similarly named section that contains install-related options. The wording can vary slightly between versions, but it will be in this neighborhood. Inside that section, click Install Page as App. This tells the browser to create a standalone app-like experience for the current site, complete with its own window that doesn't show the typical address bar. It also prepares a shortcut so you can launch Netlify directly later. Installing this way doesn't change your Netlify account or settings. It simply wraps the site for quick access. When the small installation dialog appears, click Install. The browser will finish the setup and open Netlify in a dedicated window. In many cases, it will also add a shortcut to your app launcher, start menu, or dock automatically. If you're asked about where to place the shortcut, the default choice is perfectly fine. That's it. You've installed Netlify as an app from your browser. The next time you want to use it, look for the new Netlify icon among your applications or search for it from your operating system's launcher. A couple of quick tips. If you didn't see the install option, refresh the page and confirm you're on the main netlify.com site in a supported up-to-date browser. Also, keep the app window open while you work so you become return to it quickly without hunting through tabs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the cleaner, distraction-free Netlify experience.